In the meanwhile, the results are out. Tamil Nadu's Lakshita in the 14 to 17 junior girls 10,000 meters point to point plus elimination round has won this race. She is the gold medalist here at the 62nd National Roller Skating Championship 2024. And Karnataka's Varshini Aparna is the silver medalist, and Karnataka's Nemishi Sridhara the bronze. Absolutely a stunning race there, and that we have watched, full of strategy. And like I mentioned, Tamil Nadu's Lakshita RS have been very strategically playing the race, and then the results are out, and she is the winner there. Meanwhile, the race is started. 14 to 17 junior boys. Going pretty faster than what we have seen. 14 to 17 girls there. UP, Delhi in the order there. The skaters going pretty scarce, strong. CH57 overlapped and have been asked to stop race. And there we see a couple of skaters down. Jammu Kashmir, Kerala, Telangana, Abba Telangana, and Jammu Kashmir up and running now. That's Kerala again up.
There we see
and moving.
a couple of skaters.
Points on arrival lap, and the UP and Delhi. UP and Delhi are the skaters. JK65 also stopped to ask to stop. The meanwhile, UP Delhi able to so UP 62 and DL 62. This is what I saw from the sequence here, but could be different. My views from here, as I see, may not be exactly the same. So we'll wait for the officials and the final results. In the meanwhile, a lot of skaters are being overlapped. A strategic race there by Tamil Nadu skater there, eliminating a lot of skaters. A lot of skaters been eliminated. MH and 64 and TN 64. MH and Tamil Nadu skaters there going pretty strong. MH 64. Maharashtra's Muhammad Zunaid Mahibub Mulani. MH 64 going pretty strong. It's a point on arrival. The UP moving ahead again. It's again Maharashtra followed by UP. Maharashtra UP. MH 64. Absolutely. Numbers are being announced for the skaters to stop who have been overlapped. Warning given to the skaters to keep the hands to themselves, no nudging. Points on arrival. A lot have been eliminated in this till now. It's around 33 laps to go. The PY skater from Puducherry has been asked now. In the meanwhile, PY 59 Jeevan Raj to stop skating. DL64 TG63 now. So this time Surappaneni Pranamada from Telangana to cross the finish line, but though in the second order, second sequence.
अगर आपकी चोटी इतनी पतली है, then I have a perfect solution that will get your hair looking as good as mine. So me.
It's a points on arrival. Will he able to manage that lead to get another couple of points in his account there? And Karnataka's Dhimant Mahesh able to cross the finish line first, followed by the Delhi's 64 Tejasvi Halawat this time moving to the second there, and a lot of points being shared. It's 10,000 meters finals of 14 to 17 junior men, junior boys. Point to point plus elimination round race going on. The finals there. We're seeing the skaters picking up the pace. MH66 Shawnish Rajesh from Maharashtra, followed by UP62, Lavyansh Pandey scored their points. So yes, Lavyansh, those who have messaged and I believe are watching here live, Lavyansh was the skater across the finish line second, and I have collected some more points here in the 10,000 finals, points to point plus elimination race. In the meanwhile, we have messages. Sasi Raj says, good morning to you, Sasi Raj. Great work, teamwork by RSFI officials. Thank you so much there, Sasi, for your compliments. Keep going to reach new heights. Got good skaters representing India at World Championships. Absolutely, we have skaters who represent India here running, and it is good to see such skaters live in action, especially for the young skaters who want to. In the meanwhile, GJ63 Rudra Indrajit Singh GOI able to cross the finish line first, collected some points, followed by the KA63. So going strong there, all the skaters. In the meanwhile, KA63 Viresh Vijay Bhagat from Karnataka, KA63 Dhimant Mahesh from Karnataka is leading the pack there. It's a point on arrival. So MH again, MH and KA is the order there. I think around 22 or laps to go. Should be around 22 laps. In the meanwhile, the skater from Punjab moving in the danger zone. Punjab skater PB61 Kumar Jain has been asked to stop skating. And attack coming from the Delhi skater from the outside. This is the points on arrival lap in progress. And the attack coming from the Maharashtra skater and Punjab, I guess. Yes, DL62 Himnish Sadhu scoring a couple of points there. The first two skaters in each points on arrival lap gets point. In the meanwhile, PB61 Kumojan is being called again to move in. Has been asked to stop last time for points on arrival. Has been asked for being overlapped there. In the meanwhile, Karnataka leading now UP following, and the attack coming in. It's a points on arrival lap again. Alternate laps are points on arrival. KA 6-3. UP 6-2. UP 6-2. Lavyansh Pandey again collects some points. Lavyansh Pandey from Uttar Pradesh, racer number UP 6-2, pulling in some of the points in his bucket. They are collecting the points. Each point is very critical at the last, because the sum total of points can be a point, particular a couple of laps where the points on arrival was missed or was gained, could be pretty decisive. In the meanwhile, points on arrival, TN64 and MH66 second in there. So it is TN64, Tamil Nadu's skater there. 6-4, Jeevan Raj. Jeevan Raj there collected points. Meanwhile, coming for a quick look at your message, Taisir Muhammad says, can you check the speaker, sir? Okay, I'll send the message there to the team. I hope it will be taken care quickly, because that's going on. And MH and GJ Gujarat skater, they are able to manage. MH 6-4 and GJ 6-3. So this time Rudra Indrajit Singh Goy was able to cross the finish line second, had collected some points with the Maharashtra skater. It's again points on arrival. The alternate laps are points on arrival. Sir Muhammad, can you please help me to check? I think the speaker should be okay now, better. In the meanwhile, attack coming in, change in the order, points on arrival. The points on arrival now.
सिर्फ अपना डेट ऑफ बर्थ, आप सिर्फ एस्ट्रोटॉक ऐप पे मेरे साथ अपना डेट ऑफ
TN65 Inyan A from Tamil Nadu has taken a pretty good lead, a substantial lead, approximately around half a lap lead. There is going ahead. No stopping him. No stopping him. Points on arrival again for TN65 Inyan A leading the pack. This is 14-17 junior men, point-to-point plus elimination, 10,000 meters finals in progress here in the city, in the beautiful city Mysore. And you are watching 62nd National Roller Skating Championship 2024 live here at RSF, here on RSFI TV, the official YouTube channel of RSFI. Absolutely stunning their performance by Tamil Nadu's Inyan A. Inyan A going ahead. The points being collecting points. Absolutely amazing way. First to cross the finish line, 2 points, and the points are being shared there. But in the meanwhile, for the second position, in the meanwhile, KA66 Vijay Bhagat moving, and then the Tamil Nadu, the skater from the Tamil Nadu in the moving ahead, and Tamil Nadu's 6-4. This time Jeevan Raj A. Now on arrival, last elimination, means one last skater would be moving out of the race. On arrival, elimination is being announced, so the one who will be crossing the last will be eliminated. KA63 Dimant Mahesh has been eliminated. That was the last elimination of the race there. In the meanwhile, point on annihilation lap as well, and this time DL62 Himnesh Sadhu crosses the finish line second, and no questions asked about the skater cross the finish line first. Is Tamil Nadu's Inyan A, TN65 leading the pack there with comfort and ease, a big margin there. और इनियान ए तमिलनाडु से लगातार काफ़ी लीड के साथ आगे, लगभग आधे लैप की लीड है, लगभग आधी लैप की लीड के साथ इनियान ए बहुत ही खूबसूरती के साथ स्केट करते हुए और लगातार पहली पोजीशन पे क्रॉस कर रहे हैं। हर पॉइंट्स ऑन लैप, हर लैप पे जिनमें पॉइंट्स मिलना है और जल्दी जल्दी पॉइंट्स कलेक्ट करते हुए गैप अब धीरे धीरे कम होता हुआ, मगर इस बीच इनियान लास्ट लैप दिया और बहुत ही शानदार खेल का प्रदर्शन इनियान के द्वारा, जो तमिलनाडु के स्केटर हैं TN65। कोई रोकने टोकने वाला नहीं उन्हें इस वक्त। बहुत ही शानदार स्पीड का प्रदर्शन, स्ट्रेटजी का प्रदर्शन और इसी के साथ TN65 के A66 और तमिलनाडु के
का प्रदर्शन